Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava mobile guys display setting, and today video title is guys how to hide top area in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to hide top area, status bar area, notch hide setting, how to use in Lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. So friends, in your Lava mobile friends, scroll it, friends click here display setting. After on display setting friends, you can use light mode setting. Right side you can use dark mode setting, adaptive brightness setting here, night light mode setting here. Friends, you want to change Lava mobile wallpaper, you can change wallpaper from here. Friends, last option click here, switch screen display area, and guys hide top area, where this area you want to hide in your device. So friends, click here and get this area will hide on your device. As you can see, notch will hide, top area will hide in Lava mobile. So like that friends, you can hide top area in your Lava mobile. And friends, you want to unhide top area, you don't want to hide, so again open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here display setting, and friends again scroll display area setting, don't hide. Friends, click here default, and guys notch will not hide, and friends you can use Lava mobile full screen without hide top area. And you want to hide, so you can hide, and click here default, notch will unhide. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to hide and unhide notch in Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.